Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a short little video on a little piece of technology that I came upon about 2 weeks ago. And I don't know about you, but I constantly have caulking tubes that go dry on me. And I found this little bit of technology on another video actually, and you can buy these on Amazon, and they're basically caulking tube condoms, and they're just little circles like this, and you just put them on, pull them down like that, and they say that this will make your caulking tube last about 6 months to a year before you have to worry about anything drying up. So I bought them on Amazon, not a paid advertisement, just thought I would point out this to others in case that might help you out as well. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.